can improvise meaning of can has be able to in be permitted कर सकते हैं. Voice is the form of verb. Active voice is that when subject has working itself. For example, Ali eats an apple. When where I have converted to into passive voice, that is an apple has eaten by Ali.
Apple has been eaten by.
Yes, sir. Apple is eaten by Ali. Five English important grammar we can use present indefinite, present continuous, can, may, and future indefinite. Today I have discussed about can. Can is used to ask a polite question, but it can is usually used to ask permission to do or something. Something can I borrow your car? Could is the past tense of can. Can is one of the most commonly used model verb in English. It can be used to express ability or opportunity to request or permission. Like I can ride a horse. Can is used in a present tense. Structure of tense is subject plus verb plus subject plus can plus verb plus object. For example, I can speak English. I can play cricket. I can break this door. I can lift this chair. Okay.
Alright. It should be in some translation and no handout. Did you get the handout?
Yes.
It didn't reach me. Where is this handout? No, that's the different one. That's part 2. Okay, thank you. I got it. ये ले लीजिए. चल, thank you. Okay, Amjad, that's fine. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ishant and